That's usually how the shit goes on.
Alright, so we're going to start cleaning up this mess. And our first step will be removing the taillight housing. Alright, so here we are in the trunk. It got a little packed. There's 3 wing nuts that hold in these taillights. One's back here, one up here, one up here. So we're just going to undo those to hopefully be able to remove what's left of our taillights. Alright, so these 3 are off now. We're back down here and our taillight assembly is dangling down, and we'll go ahead and disconnect all the bulbs. So my taillight is no longer useful, and of course my batteries and my camera are done. Alright, so we're going to start removing our bumper by removing the top 2 bolts. Alright, so now we are down inside the passenger side wheel well, and there's another bolt for us to take off. Right here is a mount for the bumper, so we've got to disconnect that on this other side, which it's back in here. And you just gotta loosen that. Now I think my wrecked bumper is ready to come off. Yep. So you just have to give it a pull, then disconnect this light. It turns 90 degrees left to the license plate and pull off the bumper. So now we'll take you and you guys can see what all's really wrecked in here. So right now we're working on pulling off the old crash bar, which is held on by 3 bolts. We're packed up for the night, but we got the crash bar off. And then we've got the car there. Long way to go still.